Alright guys, so this is a lamp and it's a pull string lamp, and it's usually a little cable hanging here to pull it down, and it broke off. So to turn it on and off you have to plug it and unplug it, right? I'll show you. You'll see it come on. Alright, so today our little project, DIY project, is going to be to put the pull string back on this lamp so you can just leave it plugged in and turn it on and off like a regular lamp. So let's go ahead and get started on this project. Alright, so we're going to take this out. So that we can get to the lamp structure here. We're going to take the bulb out. Okay, so now that we have all this taken out, we got to take this out. So underneath here, there's a wing nut. Let's do that. This wing nut off. So now we're going to have to pull this out, you guys, but I want to make sure that we have enough slack wire. So let's just pull some of this wire here so that we have enough slack to get this out and play with. So this should be good, all right? So now let's take this apart. All right, guys, so now we got our thing out. You can see that's where our cable should be coming out, right there. So let's see if we can't fix that. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. That just unscrews, so we'll get rid of this, put that out of the way. Okay, and then this pulls out. Hang on a second. Alright guys, so now we got the top off, so now we're going to pull this out. And this is why we had this slack in the wire, because it's going to go through this tube and come out the top. So I'm just going to pull this out, wiggle it out, okay? Make sure that we have slack, and it'll slowly come out. Okay. So there, we have it out, alright? Alright guys, so now that we have this out, you can see, look, there's still a little bit left. You can see where it broke off, but it doesn't reach here where it needs to come out, and it's still in our little switch, right? So we can move this, right? And then that'll turn your light, my fingernail. And that'll turn your light on and off, see that? So all we need to do is switch this back out, okay, and put a new one in there. Now luckily, me being the DIYer that I am, and the maker and the fixer, I have more of this. Alright guys, so I went down to the shop, and I keep all this stuff, right? So, I don't know what happened to the other end one, but it looks like it was silver, and I have some silver right there. So I think we'll just use this silver one right here. So what we're gonna have to do is take this old one out of there and put the new one in. Okay? So ever so delicately, we'll just pull this one out of here. It's gonna be okay. So there, I got it out. Hang on. Let's get our trusty screwdriver here. There we go. Oh, look. Magnetic screwdriver helps. Okay, so we got that one out. So now we'll just put this one in. Oh, no! So we're just going to get this. For goodness sakes. Okay, so I'm just going to use that screwdriver to hold that there for me. And we are going to put this in there. Come on. And there it is. All right. So, with some finessing, you guys, we have the new one in there. Now, all we got to do is take our cord here and feed it through the opening here. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Come on. There it is. See that? There we go. There we got it. I'll just put this here. And we'll just feed this whole thing through. Boom. And then, I don't know if you guys ever noticed, we'll pan down here. Look at that. There. It's a hole right there. So we will put this down that hole. Stand this back up. Put that back in there. There we are, guys. So now we just got to put this. Now, to get that to go back in, we are going to have to pull on the wire that's underneath. Alright, guys, right? So remember, we got this up here. We got our wire, so let's just pull our wire back down. But you also have to remember when you're up here, there's this groove here. Let me show you that. There's this groove. You can see it against the white wall. When I turn it this way, you can't really see it, right? So there's a notch here that this goes down in. And so as you pull on this wire, as we pull on the wire, we're going to have to line that up. I'm twisting the post, right, because here's our string, but the hole is in the back. So I'm going to twist it this way so that the string is in the back, and then tighten it down. So now we've got our cap that we took off, so we're going to put that back on. Right. Alright guys, now we can put the light bulb back in it. Plug it in. Got our string a little full. Alright. Alright guys, so here's our lamp. We got it all fixed up. We can turn it on and we can turn it off with the string, and we don't have to unplug it down the outlet anymore. So hopefully you saw how easy this was to fix. And if you don't happen to have any of this little string around in your shop, you can just buy this at the local hardware store. Right? So you can literally fix this lamp for $2-3, because all you had to do was replace the pull string. So hopefully you guys got something from this video. Hopefully maybe you'll check out some of the other videos over here, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one.